Good evening, folks. This is Monday evening. It's just after the US market's closed. We're looking at the S&P 500, and if you remember the previous video that we recorded this morning, you can see that the low that we made straight after we gapped down. You see we gapped down after the weekend. A nice little three drives pattern there, and then we made the low, and then we've been sort of rallying all day. You can see all we've done now is complete this ABCD to the upside and another ABCD off this low here. So we've made three higher lows since we made the bottom, and now it's just into the closing, and the futures are still open. The futures are just backing off a little bit. So the 382 off the whole swing. Remember the drop that we had on Thursday, Friday last week? You can see the big drop that we had down here. Now I've rallied back, and you can see 382 of that comes in a little bit higher up. Now if you look at this point B, this is your A, B, C, D to the upside. This point B here, notice how we backed off, then we hit it once, backed off, tested it, backed off, tested it again, then we've broken through it. There's a high probability we'll come back down and test this level as support if we're going to go any higher, and that would probably set up another ABCD that would take us up to this 382 area at about 28.53. Probably it could come off this one, A, B, C, D. Oh, sorry, no, I apologise. No, forget that one. No, if it backs down into this area and acts as support, right, you take your ABCD off this, A, B, C, D, and that's going to take you slightly above your 382. Maybe if we pull it off this low down here, that might take it a little bit too. Take it off that one. That's also going to take you way above as well, isn't it? But keep an eye on 28.22 or 28.20 area. If it backs up into this area, you get a nice little 135 pattern there as well. And then look for some more upside tomorrow. Then when we get to this 382, if this is bearish, folks, it's not going to go much further than that. So you'll be able to keep an eye on the price action, because if you look at these lows, your ABCD off that swing, that's a key high, isn't it? You've got an ABCD there, from this high here to your low there, to your high there, to your gap down low this morning. It's just on a 1 point. Just over an equal drive, isn't it? So that is the important. That is that's quite an important. I've took this one out. That, you know, this one's key. This point B here, this AB, this is important now, and see if it can act in support. If we break down below here and then get down below this point C, we're looking to another ABCD to the downside, aren't we? It's just like fitting jigsaw puzzles together, folks. So if this is bullish, you know, we should see some more follow through tomorrow. If it's bearish, and don't forget the patterns that we showed in the previous video on the daily chart. Just have a quick pan back to the daily chart to take a look at it for you. I think we're on here. This is the DAX, so we'll come back. We'll look at the DAX in a minute. S&Ps. Anyway, here's the daily chart. That's what we looked at this morning. There's your three drives. You've backed off. Now I've hit the exact 786 off this. Okay. So that's, and then we've had this nice bounce, got back above the open price. So you can see the gap down. There we closed on Friday. We've gapped down. We opened down here. Look, went a bit lower. Then we've rallied most of the day. So it'd be interesting to see how far we can get on this. As you can see, your 382 hasn't come in yet. That's in sort of a little bit higher up. So might get up into this area. And if we're doing ABCD up to this 618, keep a close eye on that. Then that sets up your next leg down, if this is bearish. So that's what I'm seeing in S&Ps. The DAX has been a little bit less eventful. The DAX is sort of, I think DAX is on here. Here we are. Right, here's the DAX. Now all it's done is gone sideways. It's trying to have a push. You're probably getting ABCD out of it. From your low to your high, there's your low to your high. and there's your high. You probably get some sort of a move. Might get up to 10,675 maybe. 10,675, something in that order. We'll see what unfolds tomorrow. It's just trying to push up to now. All it could do was go into range. It made the low off the gap, and it's managed to hold the low, but it's not gone anywhere, has it? So I mean, if you're a bull, it doesn't feel full of confidence, does it? I mean, he's 382 off this one, if I can find it, somewhere around there. 382 off that. Oh, he's not far off, is it? Should extend you. Yeah, 10,750 is your 382. All that's going to do is close your gap. So I'll be look to be a seller around the 382 on the DAX if it can get there. I'll keep a close eye on that. And if it can't get much further than that, you're looking at the next line. If you take this little swing here, you've got an A, B, C, D, haven't you? You're going to test these lows again. So, okay, folks, that's the update for you. So the low of the gap down open last night has held so far. But it's early days. Yeah? I think we're still going lower personally, but you know, just trade what you see. That's all you can do. So I hope this helps, folks. Take care. Good luck with your trading, and speak to you again soon. Bye for now.